Hey there! Have you ever struggled with low self-esteem? Well, I've got a quick and easy solution for you. Introducing ChatGPT, your new best friend for boosting self-confidence in minutes. With ChatGPT, you can have a supportive conversation anytime you need a little pick-me-up. It's like having a personal cheerleader right at your fingertips. Imagine being able to talk openly about your insecurities and fears without any judgment. ChatGPT is here to listen and provide encouragement when you need it most. So why wait? Give ChatGPT a try today and start feeling more confident and empowered in no time. Remember, you are worthy of love and respect, no matter what anyone else says. Uplifting ending sentence, believe in yourself, because you are truly amazing.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the surprising ways virtual reality can boost your self-esteem in no time. First off, virtual reality allows you to step into different worlds and try out new experiences without the fear of judgment. This can help you overcome social anxiety and build up your self-confidence in real-life situations. Secondly, VR can also enhance your sense of accomplishment. Whether you're completing challenging tasks or achieving goals within the virtual world, the positive feedback you receive can quickly boost your self-esteem and motivate you to tackle challenges in your everyday life. So, next time you're feeling a bit down on yourself, consider giving virtual reality a try. You might be surprised at how quickly it can help you feel more confident and empowered. Remember, you are capable of achieving great things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, fellow learners. Are you ready to unlock the secret to quick understanding in the ever-growing world of machine learning? Well, let me tell you the first key to success: stay curious. The more you explore different algorithms and techniques, the more you'll understand how they work and when to use them effectively. Now, on to our second point: practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty with real-world data sets. The more you apply what you've learned, the quicker you'll grasp the concepts and improve your skills. So, remember, curiosity and practice are the keys to mastering machine learning. Embrace every challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. Who knows, you might just discover the next groundbreaking algorithm. Uplift your understanding and watch your machine learning skills soar. Happy learning, everyone! Hey there, beautiful souls! Today, I want to talk to you about boosting your AI confidence and building strong self-esteem. One of the best ways to boost your AI confidence is to set realistic goals for yourself. Start small and gradually work your way up to bigger challenges. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, progress is progress. Another tip for building strong self-esteem is to practice self-care regularly. Take time for yourself to relax, unwind, and recharge. Whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or indulging in a skincare routine, prioritize your well-being. Believe in yourself, beautiful souls. You are capable of achieving great things. Remember, self-love and self-care are the key to boosting your AI confidence and building strong self-esteem. Uplift yourself, uplift others.
Hey there! Have you ever wondered how our brains naturally grow and develop just like neural networks? It's truly fascinating. Our brains are constantly rewiring themselves through a process called neuroplasticity. Just like how neural networks in AI systems grow and learn from data, our brains adapt and change based on our experiences. Main story point 1. When we learn something new, our brain forms new neural connections,
strengthening existing ones and pruning away the unnecessary ones. This is similar to how neural networks in AI are trained to recognize patterns and make predictions. Main story point 2. Our brains also have the ability to reorganize themselves after injury or trauma. Just like how neural networks can adapt to changes in their environment, our brains can rewire themselves to compensate for damage. So, next time you're amazed by the capabilities of AI systems, remember that our brains are also incredible neural networks that grow and adapt naturally every day. Uplifting ending sentence. Embrace the power of neuroplasticity and keep learning and growing every day.